Giang luôn trua spirits dawn của mẹ phụ nhân đặc quý sang nó giờ nữ tán tạ tử nó nó Giang luôn trua nó mà nữ sợ ha nữ cha như vậy ta lỗ tay ột lỗ đó thì mình tập bên mong nãy này ta thâu ra kiểu bên mua plau từ director ấy bố ột plau Giang mũi vậy bố cho tấm mùng trò ok với ý Giang hạt cho bên sai nè ha nữ hạt su bên nó này mong hạt su bên hạt su tuân chu pli tê chị nữ ý dạng cứ ý bên mong cái trái ý sự này lội này dùng sai của cho bên mùng sai ha một đủ chặt tốt này bố tôi sẽ đèn ha cho director thằng ý plan á chị nhớ tới gì của mẹ cho nên mình sẽ qua
ra từ nó nữ giờ đó họ thì bé chưa quý liền này bé chưa trông lên lọ quá về bé chưa được tôi li hay tôi sẽ theo bé chụp công xe thế thì tôi tới ra movie nào tới rồi
กูมาเจอตอนนี้ใช้ในแบบที่กี่ประตูกูอ่ะ
How was that for you?
It was extremely fun to play this role, extremely fun, but also extremely challenging. But it was super great.
Cú ra movie mà ra nó chỉ lúc bé hồi thì lúc in sinh đâu á, chỉ ra nó chỉ cú I was inspired by like real events that knew happened cho cú ít bao nhiêu. The silly thing is that it actually happened. Nó cũng tự nhiên wow, cũng đã tạo show kia ra story nó. That's why nó inspired cô to show ra nó tờ.
có cỡ tao đã chỉ thế à
Oh wow. To be honest, working with a big crew, it was an amazing crew. Like that was probably the best part of this experience was working with Dan Yang.
Bây giờ show to Morganton, North Carolina. Lúc cho liền từ vấn thi nên cô cho liền từ thì cổ chia, ok? Vậy nên trong chỗ này chủ tôi cùng bé theo, ok? Bé theo liền mua xe, tôi mua viên gì mua nè, ok? Chỉ mua này, chỉ bé chỉ mua xe, so này chỉ tôi sai. Tôi this is the first time in whole history, chúng tôi anthology film nè, ok? So này tôi tham gia bé theo mua lúc rồi, có gì mua.
Sit down, relax, enjoy yourself. There's 5 different shorts here for you to watch. It's gonna be amazing.
Tu lên nó sẽ cũng nó tại đặt lái cho nó lại
thì ra nó giờ ý ra cái kiểu thật thơ họ bên mong này nương thua cho bên mong cho culture này ạ như khi thì mong cho cái trái thì mong họ lúc cái kiểu nước bài tóm một lấy trả đó.
Yeah, I feel like this generation they have really improved a lot on entertainments, and I'm really amazed with all the work.
It was great. I like the stories. They're really traditional and like real life feelings. It's what everyone, or not everyone, but most people go through. So.
I thought it was really good. I waited very long for this video to come out, so I'm really proud of them. Everyone did really good.
If you have cultural beliefs or any kind of beliefs, and you watch this movie, you'll have a close feeling to every scene.
I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Yeah, it was worth every single month of waiting. Yeah.
It was really interesting. It's great that Hmong films are being produced and we're getting out there, and it's great that there's a variety of people that come to watch us. So it's great for our community.
I like it. It's got a whole variety of different themes and topics in there, so I like it. It's a new concept.
this is the guy that made it all happen.
Hi guys.
What do you think?
Well, first of all, it wasn't just me. There's a lot of people that helped me out, and there are a lot of people that made this possible. This journey is, if I would have done it by myself, it would have been impossible. But I had a really good team, really talented directors, and really talented creative producers. I think it's a great turnout. There's a lot of people here. Everyone is giving good reviews, so that means that we're doing something right.
Yes, I've got a lot of good reviews. Everybody said so excited.
Good.
There was the applause at the end.
Yeah.
So did you already saw everything before? Is it the first time you saw all combined?
Yeah, so I've watched it a couple times already, and every time I watch it, I like it even more.
All right. Let's hope that there's a two.
Maybe.
Yes. All right.
so
Good
much.
job. 咩咁懵一揼一隻呢？就用呢有咩想咩想波都係你咁 so exciting 嘅，做到咩姐妹做乜晒？但係我估一橋腳呢一陣懵 live，用 shot 到東西咩นู่น